Okay, so these are some notes on finding the distance between the points. This first part should be really easy for you because you've been finding distance between 2 points on a number line since we started this school year. So this particular part should be okay. So let's do our essential question. How do I find the distance between 2 points on a coordinate plane without graphing it? Okay, so our goal is how to find the distance between 2 points on a coordinate plane without graphing them. All right, so first thing I want you to do is go ahead and plot these points A, B, C, D. Okay, so plot those points. We've got 3 and 1. This is point A. We got -2 and -4. This is B. We've got 3, +3, and -5. That is C. And then 7 and -4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and -4. Oops. So that would be D. Okay, so we have our 4 lines, and I want to find the distance between them. So first thing I'm going to do is let's go ahead and find the distance between A and C on this number line. Okay, so normally what you would do would just be count, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so line A and C is 6 units. Okay, so that's how you would find that if you were graphing them like you would normally do on a number line. But my goal here is not to do it on a coordinate plane like this, is to actually just give you some coordinates and ask you to find the distance. So let's look at this line, B and D. Let's scroll a little bit. So I want to know the distance between points B and D. So I have B, which is -2, -4, and I have D, which is 7, -4. Now if you see, I have these two, the y values are the same. This is -4, this is -4. So the only thing I need to do then, when I'm looking to find the distance between these numbers, is look here. Okay, so now I just want to find the distance between -2 on a number line and +7. So I can just use absolute value, right? So -2 is 2 and 7 is 7. So to find the distance between the two, I add them together. Right? Because it would take me 2 jumps to get back to 0. So my absolute value would be 2. And then 7 jumps if I needed to get back to 0. So my absolute value of 7 is 7. Add those together and I have 9 units. Okay, let's try a couple practice problems and then you'll be good to go on your own. I'm going to go up here and continue using this graph up here. I'll just use different colors. Okay. Let's do a point here and a point here. So we'll go, this is E and F. All right, so I know E is at -6, +7. So I'm going to go down here, E is -6, +7. And then f is -6, -2. And since the x values are the same, then I only have to worry about these two values, which, funny enough, I already solved for you, right? We have 7 and -2. Absolute value of those gives me my distance. Let's try not to make that mistake again with this next one. Let's go with... Okay, so how about let's do here and here. So this will be G and H. Right, so G then is going to be +8, +6. G is 8, 6. H, sorry, not F. And H is 1, 6. +1 and 6. Okay, so here I have my y values are the same. So I just need to focus on these two. Okay, now I have two of the same sign, so I'm not going to be adding these together. Remember, because if I have a positive and I have a positive, I'm going to subtract to find the distance. So I have 8 minus 1 equals 7 units. And I can go back up here and verify that simply by counting, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is how to do that in a nutshell. Get with some practice problems on the next page, and I'll probably have some more practice problems with just coordinates without graphing them. All right, hit me up if you need help.